have been asking me, Onyi, people are no longer joining my pre-order group. If I try to do pre-order from China, I am not getting that much customers. What exactly might be the cause, and what solution can you proffer to this? Now, let me answer you. If you go online, you'll see that most people are traveling to China, and when they travel to China, the aim of their traveling is not just to go buy their goods. One of the aim of their traveling is to go do pre-order directly live in China. I don't know if you've seen it. Most business owners, influencers, actress, because I've seen various actresses that travel to China, and they did not just travel for vacation. They travel to go run pre-order directly from China, live and direct. Now, this can affect your pre-order business, because these people that are traveling there, they are already influencers advertising pre-order directly from China. So you find out that they would, try to join these other ones that are already live in China, but this is not to discourage you from your business. Now you may be asking, Only, what's the solution to this? Let me tell you all something. If you notice those people that are doing pre-order, they pre-order mostly products they see directly from Guangzhou market. Guangzhou market is like the most accessible to where you will land when you get to China. So you will notice that they are walking around those markets running pre-order based on what they can find in that market. Some of them might not want to spend extra money traveling from one city to another. Some of them don't want to travel all the way to Hebei, to Yiwu, from one province to another. It's expensive, it is money. So make use of train, and if you're traveling from one province to another, 8 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours, you can be in a train. So some of them just focus on what they can see within their reach, which is within that Guangzhou market. Do you get me? Now, if you look at what they are pre-ordering, it is almost the same. They are doing bags. Most of them are doing bags. Most of them are doing electronics, right? They are doing phones. They are doing chairs. Recently, I started saying chairs. However, if you look deep, you would see that there are things that they are not pre-ordering. I don't know if you've noticed it. There are things that they are not pre-ordering that are not within the area where they are, concentrated, and that is where you come in. You need to be strategic. That is where you come in. There are products that these people will not pre-order. You see them pre-ordering parts. That is because it is in their front. They pre-order ladies wear, kiddies wear. Even kiddies wear is, original kiddies wear. They don't get it that handy. What they get very easy within that Guangzhou market is handbags, parts, what else? They get ladies wears, right? There are other things that you can pre-order. This is where you need to go do your research. Do you understand me? There are other things that you can pre-order, and this is where you need to go do your research, so that when your customers or your prospective customers see what you're advertising for your pre-order, they will go check other people that are live in China. They will not see it easily. They cannot find it easily. Now you can add those rare products, and then you can do the normal bags, shoes, clothes, and the rest. But first of all, attract them with those products they cannot easily get. How many of you have seen this people pre-ordering herbal tea? There are different types of herbal tea. Have you seen them pre-ordering those type of products? Herbal tea, it may not be within their province. How many of you have seen them pre-ordering? What else can I use for you? Let's see. Cosmetic products. You can pre-order cosmetic products, my people. Do you understand me? How many of you have seen them pre-order cosmetic products? Once your shipping company tells you that yes, they can ship this product for you, you go ahead and pre-order it. Use it to attract people to join your pre-order group. I always say this to those people that come to my DM to ask me, don't use regular products for your pre-order. Don't use regular products for your pre-order. You are searching on 1688, and trust me, you are seeing more things more than these people that are live in China. You may be asking, Onyi, what do you mean? These people that are live in China, they are seeing products that are within their reach, within this, you know, everybody's market. But you on 1688 app, you're seeing suppliers, you're seeing manufacturers that are based in different provinces in China. You're seeing suppliers that are based in Yiwu. You're seeing suppliers that are based in Hebei. You're seeing suppliers that are based in different, provinces within China. And let me shock you, most times you may be buying this product cheaper than them that are live in China. You may say, only this is a lie. I want you to go check these people that are doing pre-order now. Check their price. I'm not talking about the regular products you see all of them selling. Those that are selling real rare products, check their price, calculate it with what you're seeing on 1688 app. You will be shocked. I'm not talking about bags, because when you go to Guangzhou, bags are everywhere, both mixed stock bags, any kind of bag. But there are some bags that you will not even see accessible like that. All those pure leather bag, I mean good quality leather bag. What you will see most of the time, what they will see are the PU bags, the PU material bags, right? But the Nigerian market might not really understand that. Okay, you might bring yours and they'll tell me it's expensive, but the quality speaks. So what I'm telling you is this: if you're doing pre-order, please try to search for rare products to pre-order. There are some kitchen items that you will pre-order, they will not see it. There are some machines, production machines, that you will pre-order, they cannot see it easily available from the Guangzhou market. Am I making sense? There are some type of, how many of you have seen them going to China pre-ordering industrial mixers? These are products that people are willing to buy, people are willing to pre-order. If you know that your pre-order is all about bags, shoes and the like, then I think you need to sit down and re-strategize what you're going to do with your business. Either you start off something else, you have your own money, start importing this product yourself and sell if people are no longer joining your pre-order group. But if you already have people in your pre-order group and you're looking for something different from the norms, something different from the regular, then you should look into all these products that people are not readily pre-ordering directly from Guangzhou in China. Go on your 1688 app, search for products, right? And when you search for these products that are rare, you will notice that their manufacturer's location is not Guangzhou. You will see Hebei, you will see different locations. Okay, so that's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do to help boost your pre-order business, especially those of you that are online pre-order vendors, or online, or you're into online pre-order, please check your price again. Your pricing might be chasing your customers away. Check your price again. If you notice this, people that are traveling to China and they are doing pre-order from China, they usually include shipping fee. But those of you that are doing online pre-order, I mean, you usually tell your customer, you will calculate the product price. When it arrives, they will pay shipping. Sometimes when it arrives, the money you guys call for them for shipping is usually ridiculous, and they are just, why am I wasting my time doing this with you? They will look elsewhere. So please check your pricing. I have been saying this before now. When I was doing pre-order, I usually include my shipping fee. In fact, you are even at a more advantage point. Why? Because exchange rate is kind of stable now. Exchange rate for both RMB and dollar to naira is kind of stable, so you're not scared that, oh, if I do it now, maybe when it arrives the exchange rate will be times 3, times 5. No, the exchange rate is quite stable now, so you can sit down and do your calculation very well. One thing with you guys that are into pre-order, you don't know how to do your calculations. When you calculate, compare prices with the market value of what you're pre-ordering. Check the prices. Is your pre-order price reasonable? Is it reasonable? If it is not reasonable, then why should people pre-order? Why should people give you their money and wait for almost 3 months, sometimes even more, to get those products? So your prices or your pre-order prices should be reasonable. It should be something that people will see and they're like, okay, this is a good deal, this is a good buy, this is a good opportunity for me to get this freezer. I mean, there are solar freezers nowadays. If you know what we are struggling in Nigeria with power, you would know that buying solar product that can use solar is a big one. There are freezers currently on 1688 that makes use of solar. You can import, I mean, try it. Try it. If you have the money, you can buy one for yourself. See how it works. There are ice making machine. Have you seen that ice block making machine? You will find them on 1688 app. You know, these are products that people will not just start pre-ordering randomly. You will pre-order it, and these are products that you pre-order and you make money. How about these bunk beds? These bunk beds are not products you see easily. They are not bags, they are not shoes that everybody is pre-ordering. These are rare products and they are not that expensive. Bunk beds, I know of a lady that pre-ordered it last time. She made money. How about this kiddies desks and chair for schools? You know, these chairs and stool pair that nowadays schools are using in their classrooms. No longer the type of decks we used during our time, but this locker that come with the decks and the chair. You can pre-order this product from China. There are a lot of products you can import. It mustn't be bad. That's where you people are, finding it. You're failing. Everybody is doing bad. Everybody is doing show, and you're complaining that you're not getting customers. How will you? When everybody is doing the same thing, the market is tight. So look for rare products. Look for scarce products that are not available, readily available in the local market. These are stuff that you should pre-order, and your prices should be reasonable. Then, believe me, you will get people that are willing to join and pre-order from you, in as much as they can trust you with their money. So you can try that as well.